Today in history. 6th May 1954, sunny and clear, Iffley Road Track, Oxford, England. Dear Diary, today is an amazing day. I can't believe what I witnessed with my own eyes. It's May 6th, 1954, and Roger Bannister has made history by running the mile in under 4 minutes. They're calling it the sub-4-minute mile. You see, before today, everyone thought it was impossible for a person to run a mile in less than 4 minutes. But Roger Bannister proved them wrong. He showed us that with hard work, dedication, and belief in ourselves, we can achieve incredible things. I learned that there were many scientists and experts who believed that it was just too difficult for a human being to run that fast. They said our bodies couldn't handle it. But Roger Bannister didn't let that stop him. He trained and trained, pushing himself to the limit. Today, at the Iffley Road Track in Oxford, England, Roger Bannister ran like the wind. He had two pacemakers helping him keep the right speed. I was there, cheering him on with the crowd. We couldn't believe our eyes when he crossed the finish line in 3 minutes and 59.4 seconds. We all erupted in cheers and applause. I even had a chance to talk to someone who knows Roger Bannister personally. He told me that Bannister is not only an amazing athlete, but also a kind and humble person. He never gave up, even when things were tough. I think that's what makes his achievement even more special. I know that this event will be remembered in the future. It's not just about running fast. It's about breaking through our own limits and showing the world what we're capable of. Roger Bannister has inspired so many people, including me. I can't wait to see what other amazing things he and others will accomplish in the years to come.